Well, it looks like nobody opened the garage door for me. Go. This is the setup that I have to operate my garage door with my OneID. This is a processor board called a Raspberry Pi. It runs Linux and it goes for about $35. It runs a web server that I connect to from my mobile phone when I want to operate the door. It has a connection here to my home network and a connection here to the power supply, and also this connection to a general purpose I/O board that has some drivers on it and a relay that provides the contact closure that the garage door needs to operate. It also has a button here that the processor board reads, and when somebody signs in with their OneID, if they're holding this button at the time, it will learn their OneID and know that they're authorized in the future to operate the garage door. If somebody comes along with a OneID that hasn't been authorized that way, it won't operate the door and it'll display a message saying the user isn't authorized.